Let me take a wild guess. You're a truck dealer or an equipment dealer and you want to sell more equipment in 2020. Let me give you a way to do it. Welcome to Monday Transportation in Minutes. 2020 is going to be the year of we must sell more equipment because we didn't sell that much in 2019. It was a tough year for most transportation dealers. So at CFF, we decided to take the bull by the horns in 2020 and we completely rebuilt our website to help dealers sell more equipment. Now, let me give you the 5 primary ways that we adjusted our site to make doing business with you easier. The first is we put our customers first. You did the same thing in your dealership. We have to meet the needs of the customer. So that's one of the first things we did. We became a customer-centric facing organization, and you as a dealer are actually a customer of ours. It's not just the buyer of the equipment, it's you as the seller. The second thing we had to do was we had to make the financing process more seamless. We had to improve the efficiency to increase the ease of doing business with us, and our new site does that. The third is we had to pick up our funding times. So we now have a 1.3 day funding window. On average, in 1.3 days, we fund your transactions. The fourth thing we had to do was we had to make it more affordable for the customer so your trucks become more attractive. So we lowered our rates. And the fifth thing we did, which is what we've always done for the last 25 years, is we've increased the personal touch. Literally, you can call us anytime you want and speak to us on the telephone. You don't have to send us an email or go through some difficult process. You can pick up the phone and call our office, and our staff is ready to answer the phone. So look, let's together make 2020 one of the best years we both ever had, because sure as heck knows it, we got to sell more than we did in 19. Stick around for our bonus tip. Thanks for watching this far. Here is your bonus tip of the week. To make it easier for you to sell more equipment, to streamline the process, to make it more affordable for your customers, and to make the communication with experts easier, at our new website, commercialfleetfinancing.com, if you go to the homepage and click Products, then click Dealers, and you will see our Dealer Partner Starter Kit. All you have to do is click download the entire kit, and it gives you the credit application that can be white labeled in your name, all the marketing flyers that you actually may need to help inform your customers about the financing decision, a checklist of the required documents that we're going to need to fund your deals. And the last one is we give you an embed code. So your IT department can take our credit application or your white labeled credit application and embed it on your website if you create a new tab called Financing. Everything is designed in 2020 at Commercial Fleet to make it easier for you to do business with us. And when you do business with us, you sell more equipment. We'll see you down the road.